Okay, welcome back my channel. So I have long time not update my video on this channel, so today I'm back. So let's start our old road. I want to update some basic programming video to improve my speaking skills. So let's start it. Okay, this is a very simple problem about geometry. You need to know some basic point about this square, right? So the description is easy, but you need to understand some point about geometry. So let's start it. First, this is a square, right? This side of square is 2, this side is 2, and square side is same, right? I think this is 2. This can be 3, but it's not important. But we need to design a program to solve this problem. If the side is 3, this side is 4, so it is not a square. You must to make sure all side is 2, all side is same. So if this one and this one, you cannot make sure that they are same, and you need to output no. If this one and this one are same, you need to output yes. So how to design this program? It's easy. So basically, you need to create some variable, integer variable to save the data, and you need to compare the all sides. Is it same? If they are same, you need to output yes. If not, you need to output no. So you don't need to understand why I write this. So this can improve our program running faster. So this is this problem have many test cases, so you need to set in an integer t and counting every test cases and solve this problem. So you can see this description, right? You can see the input is not 1 test cases, it's 2. So you need to set in a variable to solve this problem. So let's update our code and see what happened. Oh, I submit the same code before, so let's try again. Okay, well done. Accept. So this is the solution of this problem. Okay, long time no see. In next video, I'll teach you to solve some math problem. Maybe, I don't know what should I do. Maybe you can give some suggestions for me. So don't forget subscribe and see you next time. Peace.